honey, welcome and welcome back. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are already a subscriber, you already know what to do, boo. Go ahead and hit that like button for your girl. And don't forget, yes, you're more than welcome to share this. And yes, get social in the comments because, baby, we love to talk. We love to, y'all already know. My little tap dancer. Come on, baby. Come say hello. Come here. Little tap dancer. There he is. Hey, say hi, baby. Hey. All right, bye, Max. Anyway, today, y'all, let's talk about some passive income, right? Passive income is basically how you make money or how we make money basically in our sleeps, okay? And passive income is a way of having money come to you without actually having a tangible product or having something that you can actually touch or feel or actually need to put in a storage unit or actually need to have on hand. Okay, so today, yes, I want to discuss with you guys a couple of ways that you too can start on your passive income journey so that you can have tons of money coming in. Honey, it's 2020, basically. That's what it is. I tell y'all all the time, it's time to get with it or get lost. So it's all about multiple streams of income. And let me tell you guys a couple of ways that I like to use in my home or in my life that help me out tremendously so that I can make sure that I'm able to stay afloat and make sure that I'm able to take care of the things that I have to, like my family, of course. I need to make sure that I am not without. If one thing is not making money, you best believe another thing is going to be making money. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into some of those ways. Okay, so I don't know if you guys have already seen this or not, but I already put out a video to you guys about dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the number one sources or number one ways for you to earn additional income without having to have items or product on hand. Basically, I gave you all the resources. I told you exactly where you can go and get started, how to get started for free, and I even gave you a couple of vendors or a vendors list, and I even gave you the actual plug itself. I gave you all the juice, so just go back, review a couple of videos. I'll be sure to link everything down below, okay? Basically, all you need to do is go on to Shopify, or you can go on to Wix. You can go to whatever site you prefer and just get started. So yeah, take advantage of the things that I put out there for you guys, okay? I'm giving it to you for knowledge. I'm giving it to you for help. I'm giving it to you because I want you to win, okay? We all can win. I tell y'all this all the time, honey. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. We got this. It's the easiest 1, 2, 3 when it comes to drop shipping. All you have to do is set up your website, and that's through Shopify. That's the one that I prefer. I have the Shopify video out, so you can go ahead and check that out and get more familiarized with that. So yeah, once the website is complete, all you would need to do is, of course, import all of the items that you were thinking about selling or all of the items that you would like to introduce to your clientele. And of course, don't forget to upsell. So there you go. You see that? That's my Shopify. That's my Shopify sales for 1 month. 1 month, you guys. I've only been doing it for a month, right? Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a background on my experience with drop shipping, right? I'm going to go from the top to the bottom and let you know everything that I experienced, all the pros and all of the cons that I can give out. And again, this is my own personal experience. Nobody paid me to do this. This is just me giving you guys a heads up, kind of letting you know, like, hey, this is out there. Give it a try. Go for it. It's just to give you guys something to think about on the side, like a side hustle or another opportunity, another way to earn some cash on the side, honey. Get them coins up and save that moolah, all right? For example, let's just say I'll pick one of the items that I have in my store, right? So I have this cute little anklet, right? And it, of course, this is all, to me, it's beachy, it's ocean, it's summertime, it's cute girly things, right? So of course what I would do is go on Instagram, look for me an influence. There are apps and there are websites that you can go on to that will help you to find that particular influencer that you're looking for. So like, for example, you want to make sure that you have an influencer that is over 12,000 followers or 100,000 followers. The more the better, okay? Once you get your store up and running, you want to go to, they have apps within they have apps within Shopify that actually help you along the way, so they can help you find the items that you want, and basically you just plug them into your store. It would be nice if you could think about it beforehand, like think about a niche topic or a niche idea and something that you really like or something that you would be interested in selling to people. I love every single moment of it. It was such a learning experience. It was so cool. Like I said, in the middle of the night, it was so cool because in the middle of the night, all you can hear is cha-ching, 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 and you're like, oh my god, like the sound is iconic. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can place that little sound in here for you guys. It is totally iconic. It's like cha-ching, cha-ching, and I mean, when you hear it, you just like, yes, it's so surprising every single time because you're not expecting a sale. And little do you know, there you go. You running up a check, boo. Just like that. 32 sales in 1 month. How about that? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Let's get these coins. Let's get that money, okay? Go ahead and start you a Shopify store. Matter of fact, let me drop this jewel, okay? You don't even have to start a store. There's a way that you can purchase a store that's already up and ready to go. Like, it's anything that you're trying to sell, for example, some shoes, or picture frames, I don't know, anything you're trying to sell, there's a store already made up for it, and somebody's trying to get rid of it and sell it. They've already did the hard work. All you got to do is buy the website and put the advertising behind it. It gives you all of the details on how you can advertise it or what was working good for them, and it gives you that heads up or that lead so that you too can start making those coins. And some people are just getting rid of these stores just because they no longer have the time, or because they have other stores that are much more lucrative and they don't have time to keep spending on this smaller store, if that makes sense. So yes, honey, where there's a will, there's a way. All right, so let's make it happen. Again, if I can help you in any way, just comment down below and let me know, and I got you, boo. Thank you. Oh, don't you forget to subscribe now. Thank you, Candy Kings and Queens. See you later. Thank you guys so much again, and I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I cannot wait to see you guys back soon. And I love you guys. Thank you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye-bye.